Ah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of you World of Warship players. All right, well, I gotta tell you, I'm one of the skittish players out there. So let's just jump in immediately. Oh, already getting in. All right, well, just a little about myself. I'm new at this. I just got this headset. I don't know how to use OBS all that well. I have no idea how I sound. I just got a Corsair headset. And right now, I'm nervous because I'm going up against. Oh, this aircraft carrier's not too bad. Any submarines? Nope. Oh, fire starters in here. What is a Mecklenburg? A Mecklenburg. Oh, let's jump in the game. Take a look at this thing. So here they go. I tell you, you got to give the art department. I mean, you got to give them props for this. Oh, let's start the ship going.
Show them what we've got, chaps.
No, I'm not British. I'll change that later. Okay. Let's take a look at the map. I may have to turn the volume down a little bit. Let me see. Let's see. It's a little loud. Gotta hurry before someone blows me up. Let's see. Okay, let's try that. I'm not sure if it's any better. Alright, let's stay on this side of the map. You know, I watch Jingles and Flammo. They would never post my videos because I'm a coward. Alright, that was my sister ship over there. Some kind of French ship, can't pronounce that. Moss something. Jutland. Yeah, Mogumo. I'm afraid of this guy here. Yes, Sashio. Alright. Let's do some beauty shots, huh? That's what I'm talking about, the art department. They really nailed it. I mean, people may hate the game, but I tell you one thing, you cannot hate the people that do the models of paper ships as well as real ships. What's this? How do you pronounce it? Schliefen? Whatever. Alright, why is he... I'm not going out in open water on the destroyers up over here. So I'll be his wingman. Oh wait, I got HE. I got to change the armor piercing. Okay. Yeah, I know. Do not go down between islands here, because torpedoes love to come down here. Oh, he's turning away. Where's he going? Where you going, brother? I got a shot. I'm taking it. Actually, I'm taking this shot. He's backing up.
Enemy destroyer sighted.
Whoa! Incoming.
Fire!
Well done, Commander.
Now one hit.
Neptune's beard.
Neptune's beard. More incoming with a Montana too. Let's go and get behind us. No, not gonna make it. Alright. Woo! They got a fix on me. Okay, this doesn't look good. I told you, I knew it. Didn't I tell you that? Destroyers love to come out over here because there are no islands to block their shots.
Torpedoes dead ahead.
So I'm actually going to turn in here. I'm not going to fight no destroyer that I can't
dead
see.
Ahead.
Holy
Torpedoes to
blank.
starboard. Torpedoes direct front.
Let's get between this. I gotta turn out of here. I'm not going out there. He made it, but I'm not going out there. Alright, don't want to hit that rock. I'll be stuck when I get torpedoed.
I need intelligence data.
Yeah, we have... Oh god, I hope I can turn before... Oh, I don't want to hit this guy. Oh, I'm in a bad spot. Oh. Whoa, look at that. See? Look at this.
Warship.
This guy's gonna spot all of us back here. I know I got incoming, but take the shot.
Enemy battleship sighted.
Got my size showing here. Actually got a hit. Lucky. I knew that was gonna happen. And I knew I was gonna get shot. But none of this area was covered.
Fire!
Alright, fine. Okay, let's relocate. Let's put this fire out. This guy is still alive. Come on, Yagumo. Get him. Let's help him out.
Problem solved, sir.
Trying to make a run for it. Whoa.
Good show.
That's the guy here. I don't have it. What the? Oh, I didn't mean to go behind this mountain like this. Oh, jeez. It's going to take me forever to get over there. Alright, take it easy, Joe. Take it easy. Wow, look at that force over there. We're outnumbered on this side. Alright. The good thing about this is this. When nobody sees me, I get brisk. But as soon as I'm spotted, I slow down. Should be the opposite, actually. Actually, shouldn't even be there. Let's prepare ourselves here. Now, one good thing about this German battle cruiser, as you see, I'm not as aggressive as most people, but it's got a great speed, so I can relocate to any part of the map that I want to. It's not like playing an American battleship. All right, can I read the Mr. Master to Master? I can't even say that. Massachusetts. The Mass B. I can't even say Massachusetts, right? Okay, I gotta get into the fight. So you see the speed? Look at the speed. 34, 32. And if I go straight, I can put close to 40 knots in this bad boy with a speed flag. Okay. So, what am I doing? Oh, yeah, this is perfect. Okay, not worried about those. Oh, can I reach this guy? Hold on a second. Oh, yeah, he's turning away. Let's kind of lead a little bit.
Our team has taken the lead.
Yeah, this is not really a good. I hate games that are one-sided. Oh. Not bad. Okay. Yeah, I could tell we're gonna win this, and oh, whatever. All right. Yeah, he's committed. Whoa! Wait a minute. What? Oh, this guy here, the Vermount. That may be the slowest ship in the game. But it's got, what is it, got 12, 16-inch guns? And does like 21 knots. Take a look at the Vermount. Yeah. I'm not. Whoa, someone spotted me. Oh, that's their flanking force. Let me not get between that flanking force and, let us see what's going on here.
Problem solved, sir.
There's a Montana over there that can reach me. So I'm spotted. So, you know what? Let's just shoot for the hell of it. He's running. I got income. I can kind of hear it. Can you hear it? Oh, wait a second. Oh, look at this. Oh, my aim sucks. And I was trying. I know the Montana's going to try to pick me off here. Okay, all misses, alright. Oh, it is like World War II or post-World War II, not guided missiles. I am detected.
Victory is in sight.
I didn't do much here. Let's heal up. How about this guy here? Yeah. Anyone can end up in a game like this. I'm not really showing off my secondaries here, but maybe next game someone tried to set me on fire. He's going behind the rock there. So 800 points, game's a done deal. So, isn't that one of those exciting? Oh, whoa! Destroyer over there.
Enemy cruiser detected.
I need intelligence data.
Oh, there's. I see the shots taking a hit.
Torpedoes dead ahead.
Who's got torpedoes over there? Oh, it's a fat aircraft carrier here. Everybody takes a shot. You gotta take the shot.
Enemy battleship sighted.
Uh-oh, it's gonna be me in Montana now. Alright.
Concentrate fire on that enemy warship.
Yep, he sees me as well. It's only about the auto pop. We get to see the secondary gun to shoot. Cool, shouldn't be showing my side like this, but I had to show off my secondaries, which would be the death of it. Oh, that hurt.
Fire!
Oh, that Mecklenburg guy.
That was a great battle. Neptune's beard. Torpedoes dead ahead.
Dead ahead? Where? Oh, where'd that come from? What's the aircraft carrier? From this guy here. That was pretty underwhelming. My fault too for being a chicken. So for being a chicken, what I lose? Buck. See? Okay, next game I'm gonna play aggressive. So this will be a 2-game video. This time I promise to get in there and fight. Okay. Irregardless of what happens, let's jump on in. 5 aircraft carriers, please, no subs. I'll be right back. I'm gonna heat up my coffee. Hold on a second. I'll be right back. Start the game already. I want to be here all night. Game didn't even start yet. Like 30 seconds into this thing. Oh, there we go. Now I get my coffee going. Okay, I'm coming. Coming back. Okay, let's see. What am I gonna? Oh, that's a good aircraft carrier, the Kadra. No subs. Okay. White. This turret over here is 360. I love it. Let's see. What do we got? Kansas. Massachusetts.
Show 'em what we've got, chaps.
Check out the map. Did down the middle. Not too far down the middle. Let's see. That Sherman's a pain, but that's alright. Let's go, St. Louis. There's a modern funnel. Alright. Wake up.
Standing by for instructions, over.
Let's see. I do not want to get the attention of the aircraft carrier. To catch up to the monitor. He's got great AA. Let's see, who has long-range torpedoes? I don't think anybody does, except us with this guy. Alright, so what's going on here? Let's see. Oh, this guy's turning that way. Oh, hold on. As long as I got this on, they can't see me, so I know I can turn like this. Yeah, because I am undetected at this point, otherwise my ship would slow down. Okay, let's speed up. Alright, now I'm detected. Damn planes. And the torpedo planes too. Incoming anytime. I might as well shoot. Great. Hold your fire. Oh, this guy wants a piece of me. I see it incoming right now. Look it up in the sky. Here it comes. That's got my name on it. See if I can make a mess. And he gets a fire. You lucky bum.
Fire!
My ship made out of wood or steel. So I got 2 fires already. Get out! Look at this lucky guy. Okay. Let's see. Definitely a destroyer and see.
Problem solved, sir.
Let's see if we can reach anybody. I need to do some shooting. There we go. Let's try for the Lenin. And there he goes.
Enemy cruiser detected.
Kansas is moving backwards. Oh, they're all moving backwards. Okay, I'm undetected, which is good. I got a bad feeling about that destroyer heading over here, and I just feel it. Look at them back up, so what I'm going to do is just keep shooting. Well, I'm still turning as I zoom in and see what it is. Alright. So let me see if I can have these guys focus on this dude.
All stations requesting fire support.
Why is he showing me my side like that? His side like that. Interesting. Let's see what kind of hits I get. Ooh. Oh, he's down. He's out of it. He's done. I don't know. Maybe he had to go. I mean, some people, like, if they got kids that play the game. I mean, they had kids and they have to, like, charge in and leave the game. I think he did that on purpose because he had to go. I've been in that situation before. So I don't judge anybody like that. This guy, I don't know, this is gonna be hard for me to hit. Look at that, this smokestack. Looks like he's moving slow. Looks like he stopped moving. Yep. Oh, I reached out and touched him. Alright, this ship here is known to be a pretty good ship. Can't even pronounce it, called a Peter for short. Still gotta watch out for a submarine. I mean, not submarine, a destroyer. Why not? Okay, we're near the edge. I'm detected. Oh boy, that's not good. Up for torpedoes. I'll be lucky if I hit him. Let's see. Hey, so these sort of shells coming in. Let's go try for this guy, Hindenburg. It's moving him forward.
Enemy battleship detected.
Yeah, I saw the smoke changing direction. Yep. Ah, there we go. Torpedoes.
Torpedoes to port.
Torpedo.
Enemy cruiser sighted.
What am I? Oh, this.
Stations reporting the position of a strategic target.
Yeah, he got out of my secondary range, smart guy. Yeah. I gotta take the shot because he's there. Well, Des Moines, they love the what they call island hump. Look at he's hiding behind the island there. You can shoot over. Got to keep an eye on him. Okay, what's going on over here? Oh, we don't have any caps. Ah, jeez. No good shots, really. Let's see. Let's trying to find on this side. Planes.
The enemy team has taken the lead.
I don't know if it's torpedo range, but alright, no problem. Which, yep, that's destroyer. That's probably the Sherman. Oh, no, actually, let me see. Is he still in the game? Hey, that would be this guy for sure. No question about it. Okay.
Good show.
His bow
Enemy
sticking
is
out.
about to win.
Couldn't even kill him. It's down to 100 hit points. I'm on German crew reload. Let's get some kind of angle here.
The enemy battleship destroyed.
Alright, I know, big deal. Okay, it's like World of Tanks at this point. Yeah, they got A, B, and C. Alright, no big deal. It's all in fun. I'm taking a shot. I'm going for it. I think my shells are slow. I'm not gonna make it. He's turning out of the way. I like sports cars, these destroyers.
Aircraft carrier sighted.
Maybe sighted, but I can't reach it. So we'll take that 60 score is horrible. Alright. These two guys are together. St. Louis is down. Here we go. Oh, he's going for ramming speed. Oh no, dude.
Enemy cruiser detected.
Do not fire at your allies.
What are you talking about? This is something that it's pretty interesting. I'm aiming at the enemy ship. I guess one or two shells hit the ally ship, but you know, I had to take the shot, man. It looks like the word breast, doesn't it? Let me get closer. I think he's going to slow down because he ain't going to pass. He's not going to come out. Let's check with the torpedo thing. Yep, he's moving backwards. You see that? Oh, ooh, this sucks. This is bad. All right, adios. I'm done for the night. It's just late. New York time. Yeah, better than last time. All right, man. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you guys have good morning, afternoon, and evening. And I will try better next time to provide a more entertaining battle. Okay, night night.